Since we're having difficulties with our phone patch from Cebu, we'll be moving forward to another cosplay spotlight.
Yes.
At mukha yatang ready, mag-ano sila, magbubugbugan po sila. They've been doing this for how many years na?
Yeah, I know.
Nagbubugbugan lagi sila. Okay, may we call the attention of the team of Mark Cerezo with a skit of wrestling.
Let's all give them a big hand.
Mga kaibigan, kami na naman po. Ladies and gentlemen, ako po ulit si Kenkoy. Ay, miss.
Earphone.
Okay. May babasahin ako script ngayon para hindi nakakalito. Ladies and gentlemen, this following contest scheduled for one fall is for the World Heavyweight Champion. In this match, will be no disqualification. Nice. Music, please. Oh, wait, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce our referee, Mr. Barack Obama.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking! Cooking ng...
Music, please. Introducing first the World Heavyweight Champion, the man who is so kind, Mr. Mankind. Yes, look at him. He's got a necktie with a smiley face. Yeah. Next music, please. Thank you. There's no applause. Music, please. And the challenger from Marikina City, the rated R superstar, Look at him. Do you smell the armpit? Yeah. I smell you from here. Look at this. On the spot jackpot. Yeah. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna start the fight now. The referee, why are you undressed? Oh my God, they're destroying the stage so early. Okay. Hey, my co-host, come over here, my co-host.
I can't go there.
Why? Oh my God! Look at that slam dunk. Okay, roll over the pig. 1, 2. Oh my God! He interfered.
Hey, Mr. Referee.
Okay,
Sun in here.
the Mr. Referee has sore eyes. He's wearing shades. Oh my God! That's gonna hurt in the morning. Yes.
The Rock is cooking.
Look at Mr. Mankind. He is so exploding and you explode his... I cannot say it anymore. Punch him. Okay, do it. Oh, do it one more time. Okay, choke that bastard. Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh my God. Look, the stage.
That might hurt, man. That might hurt.
Earthquake 2012.
Hey, what's that?
Oh my God, the sack. Where did you get that sack?
It's smelly.
Yeah, do you smell the sack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gross.
You suck. Oh! That's disgusting, man.
Sack
Oh
in
my
the
God. It's like exorcism. Yes.
What's its taste?
What's the referee doing? He's like
A bold
the
stop.
oblation. Oh, punch him. Oh, okay, punch him. Yeah! Headbangers! Yes! Okay, throw him off the stage! Boom! Earthquake! Yeah! What's happening here? Lie down! Cook! Barbecue! Oh! What a nice jump! It's a jumping
Another
spider.
earthquake, another
That's a jumping spider, you know.
It's a tsunami.
Oh my God! He's crawling like the Grudge! What? Why did you get that chair?
What's that?
Oh, that hurts! Hey, you! Apologize to this little girl! She's crying!
Hey, the girl's crying.
The little girl is crying!
Hey, what did you do? Hey, referee, the girl's crying.
You're so bad! Kids, don't try this at home! Okay? Don't try this at home! Oh, he's the referee!
The referee.
You understand? And I'm the host!
This is the new referee.
This is me also. Okay. Oh my God, ouch, that hurts. That's like electrifying, you know? Okay. Wow. What the hell? That's so lame. It's okay. Like, they don't... That's okay. Oh my God. Kick that bastard. Yes. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when you
Submission.
do? Sorry, you. Hello, hello. What's that?
Put the sock on his mouth. Put the sock
Yeah,
on
put
his
the
mouth.
sock in his mouth. Oh my God.
The referee,
Do you smell the sock?
One,
One, two. Oh! I saw the pants of Mr. Edge. It's like, there's a little hole.
Hey, hey, hey.
And I've noticed that they've been wearing this since
That allowed
we started. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Oh my God. Back pain. Like, ayos na. Buto-buto. Skilan. Buto-buto. My God. You're so fat. I cannot help myself. Ladies and gentlemen, please forgive us for this show. There's a naked guy, there's a fat guy, and there's a guy with the pants in the hole. The hole in the pants. Come on,
It's up,
count.
it's up.
Can you count? One, two. That's four. That's four. What? It's like a paranormal activity. The hell's happening? Oh, he's jumping. He punched him in his chin. Like, I don't know if you get that. I don't know if you get that. Spear! That's what you call a spear.
Big
That's
spear.
Britney Spear.
Big spear.
Three. It's only two. Yes. It's only two.
Why only two?
Two. Come on, baby. Yeah. Hit me, baby, one more time. Yeah. I told you it's Britney Spear. Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Two. Three.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champ.
Put an apple in his mouth.
Actually, this is not a new champion because he's always the winner. Because he's the choreography of this show.
He's the producer
ladies
of
and
this
gentlemen.
Hey,
Oh my God! That hurts!
what's with the referee?
See you at Toycon, Edge!
Toy con.
You hurt me! Why did you hurt me? I'm just a host here. Ouch! I'm just an announcer, yeah. Get the hell out of here. I'm gonna end the show. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the wrestling. Thank you. My name is Ken Koy and my co-host Vlad, who's hiding. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause, please. Thank you. Hey, louder. Louder. Thank you.